I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Good morning, everyone. We are back on the road again today to look at some more apartments. I think that this will be our last day looking, but we'll also see.
Probably, right?
Yeah, probably,
Who
but
knows?
yeah, exactly. It'll definitely be the last day of Vlogmas that we'll be looking, so if we do any more apartment searching, it will not be during Vlogmas. It is Sunday, and today we are looking at apartments in Santa Monica, Venice, Marina area.
Whoop, whoop.
Yes, this is Connor's choice. He found all of these apartments.
With help.
I think except for this first one
Yeah.
that we're looking at, but the rest of them Con found, and then I think after this we'll get to make a decision about where we're gonna live. But
I think it's more probable that the Culver ones are gonna be better based off like what we've seen.
yeah, but there's some good prospects, I think.
Yeah.
We're in a different car today, which is so much nicer.
Yeah.
The car yesterday was such a piece of crap. It was dirty and disgusting, so there was no way we were gonna use it again today. But now we're in a much nicer, clean car. Thank God. Either way, it's gonna be a very fun day again. We're excited to be out of the house again. Wow, 2 days in a row.
Right,
Can't
look
you
at us
believe
go.
it? So obviously we'll be near the beach for a lot of these, so I think we'll probably have lunch on the beach, which will be really nice.
Yeah.
And then we were thinking maybe we'll drive to Malibu afterwards just to take advantage of having the car, or just somewhere, maybe not Malibu, but
Yeah, Malibu's a little far, mate. Well,
yeah.
based on the traffic.
yeah,
See, like, what the
totally,
traffic
because
is.
we have to bring the car back by 8:30, but still, our last viewing's at 3:15.
Yeah, go a
We
little
have some time.
touring around.
Yeah. Anyway, we just thought it'd be fun to sort of spend the day on the west side, take advantage of having the car.
Yeah, I'm excited for a little West Side day.
Me too, yeah. It's a beautiful blue skied day. It's a little chilly out, but like very comfortable,
Very
and yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun. Little wall closet, washer dryer.
Yeah, living downtown, I'm used to hearing quite a bit.
Yeah, we've been very paranoid about finding a quiet place next.
This isn't actually too bad considering
No.
it's on Main Street. And if you are super or extra sensitive, you can always.
I really like the size of the kitchen, and the light in here is beautiful. Nice big balcony. Nice little view.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I like it.
The last of the space. According to your,
This would be the office. Bathroom.
Big shower.
Yeah, totally. And this is just the second bathroom. Down here, master. Yeah, this place is really nice.
Yeah, I'm impressed.
Yeah, me too. All right.
37 only. So.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we're a rather small property. It looks maybe bigger than it is. But yeah, this one is very simple.
No, I really like the size of these kitchens. It's a lot better than a lot of the other ones we've seen.
Yeah.
Really nice appliances.
Nice.
Mm-hmm. It's a good size.
And they're full-size units, so I'm not sure if I mentioned it in the release.
Yep.
All right.
Cool. Another bathroom.
Oh, I like how they've distributed the space though.
Me too. I like that it's a little separated. And I really like these floor colors. Nice bright white walls and the recessed lighting. It's really nice. Okay, just finished our first tour.
Very
We
nice.
actually loved it.
Yeah.
The units were really beautiful.
I literally came in with zero expectations of this place.
Yeah.
I was gonna be like, all right. We were deciding whether or not to keep it.
I know, well, it's because they only had the more expensive unit yesterday, but something fell through where they had the more affordable one. Yeah, exactly.
But we love the units.
They were beautiful, they really were. We're a little nervous about it being on a main street and it being loud, because the whole point is that we're like trying to get out of downtown into a quieter apartment. Like, we don't want a quiet area, but a quiet unit specifically. We're just walking through this neighborhood right now. We just wanted to check it out for a second. I think it has a lot of potential, honestly.
Yeah, seriously.
I'm not crazy about the area itself. There's not a lot going on walking distance from here. The units were beautiful. They're probably our favorite units that we've seen so far,
Oh.
as far as like finishes and all of
Well,
that.
and it's like cool design too, where like even like the walls, like there's a couple interesting shapes where it wasn't just like blank walls.
Totally, yeah. The kitchen was my favorite part for sure. Just absolutely gorgeous. I loved it. Come here. Come here. Oh yes, I'm doing it. Yeah. Oh, so sweet.
Are you the little neighborhood kid?
Are you a neighborhood cat? Yeah. Yes.
This neighborhood's really nice.
I know, it's so nice. Yeah, we're a little early for our appointment, so we're just walking around.
A golf course.
You want to come with me? Come on. Oh, Tumble. Tumble's just like Molly.
Beautiful.
Hi, you're so sweet. Do you belong to someone? Probably, huh? You seem very nice. Oh yeah, you like head scratches, huh? Okay, I love you. I'm sorry I have to go now.
Like a little bigger Molly out there.
I know, right? I feel like this was how Molly was as a stray. Okay, I love you. I'm sorry I have to leave. So cute.
You just walk around the neighborhood to cuddle.
Right? I'm all about it. Now I'm convinced we have to move
What a
here.
nice life for this cat.
Okay, I love you. Bye, kitty cat. Oh my god, she's tumbling and crying. I can't deal with this. So sweet.
So Jill and I are in a very charming neighborhood.
Yes, so charming and nice that we are questioning whether we
We're
even
ready
belong
for
here.
it.
We're like, maybe we should move here in 2 years.
Right? Super quiet, really pretty.
So pretty, lots of families. I miss the cat. I will say I noticed a lot of Black Lives Matter signs out, a lot of like
No human is illegal.
science is real. So I like the politics in the neighborhood.
Yeah, this neighborhood is cute.
I know, it's so cute, but like, I don't know.
Yeah.
Is this like fun enough for us?
I don't know.
Yeah.
That's what I'm worried about.
But this is very charming. I definitely want to continue to keep this neighborhood in mind even in the future.
Literally church
Because
bells.
this is beautiful.
I was gonna
Right?
say, right.
Church bells?
No, this is a great.
Listen
We
to
should
that.
literally save this spot.
Yeah, seriously. Like, maybe we'll own our first home in this neighborhood.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. We're enjoying the church bells going off.
Yeah, we were like, oh, this is so cute.
This is started over by the gas station now.
Exactly, yeah. Kitchen.
Nice though.
Yeah.
Got enough cutting space.
Definitely, yeah. Yeah, the counter space is pretty good. Let's see.
Oh, nice.
Okay, looks like this is probably the master. And the bathroom.
I like the wood in the color too.
Me too. This bathroom's a pretty good size, actually. Not so bad. Another bathroom. Yeah, I mean, the bedrooms are really big, both of them.
So how much is this one going for?
Okay, we are at our next location, another adorable little neighborhood, more in the Santa Monica area now. We're a little early again, so I think we're just gonna walk around the neighborhood, check it out, see
this
where
it
we'd
right
be
here,
living. I'm
probably?
pretty sure this is the building. Yeah, and then we have our next tour in about 15 minutes.
And then I get owners to approve everything to get started? Yeah, I think so. I think they can get it done.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, we're definitely looking to make a decision pretty soon.
Yeah, like next week probably.
It's just, going to submit your
Washer, dryer. Only one bathroom, but
normally they take one on security deposit.
ocean right there. Yeah, it's pretty beautiful. I like it. Okay, so that last place we looked at, just FYI, because I know you guys are probably confused, the whole thing is getting renovated.
Yeah.
Obviously it's not renovated yet, but it will be renovated by the time we moved in. I'll put in some clips of what some of their renovated units look like. That way you can get sort of a vibe. The neighborhood was really nice, walking distance to the beach. It's good.
It's pretty much like ideal for like Santa Monica. what
Yes,
we were looking
I
for.
agree, yeah. So we have a couple hours until our next showing now, so we just hopped over to 3rd Street Promenade. We're just gonna find something to eat. We're pretty hungry, but look, it's so Christmassy and fun. I love it. Look at all the lights. Look at that Christmas tree. I love Christmas. There's nothing better. All right, we're going in for some lemonade for lunch. It's gonna be so good. I haven't had this in so long. Okay, I got a spicy poke bowl for lunch. Connor got some poke tacos, and we're just sitting here with a view of the beach, enjoying a little bit of Santa Monica before our last tour of the day.
Not so bad.
Not so bad. Yeah,
Really quiet.
incredibly quiet, which is so nice. Nice little living room area, balcony out here. Yeah, it's pretty good size actually, this balcony. 914.
Feels bigger.
Yeah, it does not feel too small, I don't think. Let's see, here's one bedroom.
Nice closet.
Yeah, it's all right. Got some shelves, that's sort of nice. Bathroom over here. Let's check it out. Look at this tub, nice and deep.
Don't love the tile.
Me neither, and I don't love this wood either. Kitchen.
Nice big area.
Yeah, it is a good size.
To work around.
Another bathroom.
Another big tub.
The bathrooms are very spacious, which
Very
is nice.
big.
Another bedroom. Another good sized one. Okay, let's take a look. Little front closet. I like these floors a lot better, obviously. Nice balcony out here, lots of light coming in. Like even with this closed, it's so bright. Carpet in the bedrooms, but that's okay. Doesn't necessarily bother me. Closet.
Nice big closet.
I think this is the master. It's a little small. They should have made the bathroom smaller and the bedroom bigger.
Bathroom.
Oh, that was nice though. Got a tub, a standing shower. This kitchen looks a lot nicer.
Look how big this is. Holy shit.
Oh my god, yeah, it has so much counter space. No soft clothes, but I guess we'll live. And
It's a nice kitchen, that's for sure.
it is. I'm assuming washer dryer, yep.
Nice.
And then second bedroom. Oh, maybe this, it's weird. This feels like it should maybe be the master,
Right?
but obviously the bathroom isn't attached. But a bigger closet.
These are nice though.
Yeah,
They're not the
totally.
biggest bedrooms. But
They're really not. Like, we probably could not get a king. We would have to stick with a queen size. Okay, so that was our last tour. Don't mind this terrible lighting. The sun is like crazy or bright right now. It's killing us. Definitely was all right, but it was not really what we're looking for, I don't think. Oh my god, this lighting like actually is atrocious. I don't even know how to fix it. I'm so sorry, you guys. Oh, here we go. This is good. So it was fine, but it wasn't really what we're looking for. So I do think that we have it narrowed down between two places now. I'm not gonna say which. It'll be a surprise. I do think we found some potential.
I think we're excited about both of the ones.
Definitely. And so really our plan is to just go home and really like weigh out all the pros and cons for both of them and figure out which will be the best choice for us.
Yeah.
But either way, I think that we found two places that whichever we choose we'll be happy at.
I agree.
Which is so exciting.
Which I didn't expect to out of today. I didn't
Yeah.
think we were gonna find anything today.
Yeah, we were not in love with really any of the units before going in.
Yeah, and then we're pleasantly surprised by,
Quite a few.
yeah.
There you go. That concludes the apartment hunting. I don't think that we'll end up looking at any more. I'm excited for us to make the decision. Like, I can't wait for us to figure it out.
I
Because
know.
genuinely, we don't even know yet.
Yeah, like seriously.
Anyway, it is about 4 p.m. now. We have this car until 8:30, so we were like, let's take advantage while we have it, and we're just gonna go for a little drive along the PCH. Check
Enjoy
out the
being
views.
outside.
Exactly. Take advantage of the time while we can. All right, we're stopping at the Malibu Pier. Go for a little walk. Look at this. You can order for takeout and picnic along the pier.
Oh, that's nice.
Right? So cute. Malibu Farm. Oh, Christmas. Christmas everywhere. Love it. Okay, Malibu Farm was doing these little cocktails that you can have along the pier. Like, their seating is closed, but there's all these tables along the pier here that you can sit at. I got this watermelon cocktail, which looks amazing. I'm so excited. Connor just got a beer.
Hazy IPA.
Hazy IPA, you know how it is.
Not even my favorite type of beer.
But is it good?
Yeah, it's alright.
And we have a beautiful view here. I mean, look at this.
Though, it's pretty hard to beat.
Yeah, this way's looking really beautiful as well. It's a good day.
It's a great day.
Guys, this is so insanely beautiful. It looks so pretty over here too with like the golden hour light. We are very happy.
Very happy to be outside of our apartment.
Look at that. Ah, I just cannot get over how beautiful this view is right now. I am loving it. Yes, exactly. Guys, it's snowing! How cute! Oh my god, I love that! Snowing in Malibu. we are back home now.
We're ready to relax.
Yeah, it's been a long day. It's been a long weekend.
Went quick.
I know. Sunday rolls around faster than you know.
Sunday scaries. It's more laborious to go looking through apartment searching, but this was pretty fun.
I always have fun doing it, so it was a blast.
Got some exciting prospects.
Now we have a big decision to make.
Big decision.
Very interested to see.
Yeah, I don't know how it's gonna shake out.
Me neither. So you guys will probably find out, just so that you know, in the new year sometime.
There will be zero clickbait, I promise you.
Yeah, right. Expect clickbait.
Yeah.
So I think we'll watch some Survivor, make some yummy food. We were talking about maybe making cookies.
Cookie.
And just have a nice relaxing Sunday before the week starts again.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go take my makeup off actually. That sounds good. And then we'll figure out
nice.
dinner. Check out this ramen for dinner. I am so excited for this, you guys. It's gonna taste so freaking delicious. Oh yeah, cookie time. Okay guys, it is the end of the night. It is late and Connor just went home because we like to sort of sleep at our own places before Monday morning. I am definitely ready for bed. So thank you guys for watching today. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed seeing all of the apartments. I seriously have no idea what we're gonna do. Not a clue. Oh my God, I'm very stressed about it, but we will see what happens. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you tomorrow.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?